Hello and namaste. Welcome back to Fabulous Body. I'm Akash, your holistic nutrition coach. I am 41 years young and I have no plans to age. In fact, I have a feeling I'll look even better at 51. And I'm only half joking. Many people wonder how it's possible to stay so motivated that living a healthy lifestyle becomes second nature. Today, I'm going to share my 2 secrets with you. Secret number 1, have a long-term health vision. You probably heard of Chando. He is 57 years old and looks incredible. I want to look like him at that age. He's roughly my height and has similar body frame, though he is 10 to 15 pounds heavier. So my goal is to build more muscle and achieve a similar look. But it's not just about looking good. A fabulous body is built on 3 pillars: lean, functional, healthy. I've set specific goals in all 3 areas. So if you can take one thing from today's video, let it be this: develop a clear health vision for yourself and be super specific. Then set smart goals to reach it. Without a clear health vision, you'll be like a ship without a rudder, drifting aimlessly in the vast ocean. The other secret to look young and move towards your health vision is to identify a set of key habits that you should master and imbibe them into your daily lifestyle. Most people overthink and remain anxious about achieving the health and fitness goals, but when you look at their lifestyle, the work is missing. There is no consistency. They lose a lot of weight, for example, because they were motivated by an external event, and when the pressure is gone, they gain all the weight back. So please stop the yo-yo dieting. It damages your hormonal health and metabolism. Instead, build a process and a system and stick to it. Learn to love the daily grind and don't worry whether you will achieve your goals or not. Focus on the process. The outcome will take care of itself. You don't need daily motivation to drag yourself to the gym or eat healthy. The power of habit will support you. Believe it or not, I am at a stage in my life where living healthy has become effortless for me. But don't get me wrong, no one is perfect. If I'm able to follow my optimal health system for say 26 to 27 days in a month, I'm golden. However, there are still days when I snooze my alarm or enjoy that extra piece of chocolate. I've mastered about 10 key habits, health habits that keep me on track. But for now, I'll share 6 of them with you. If you want the rest habits, comment habits below and I'll send you a free PDF with the remaining 4 and actionable steps on how to master them. So let's get into it. Habit number 1, eat the same meals every day. We live in a time of information overload. Every influencer wants you to try their favorite recipe or fancy exercise. Human brain looks for novelty and there is nothing wrong in trying new things. But trust me when I say this, most successful people stick to the basics, the foundations. If I look back a few decades and figure out what I've been eating on a regular basis, I can easily identify only 3 to 5 meals that I've been eating over and over again. My top breakfast choices are steel-cut oats and whole eggs cooked in coconut oil with avocados. I may have consumed dosa or even a paratha once in a while, but 99% of the time, it is either steel-cut oats or whole eggs. These meals provide me with a lot of energy and sustain me until 4 to 5 p.m. That is when I have my second and final meal of the day. So my appeal to you is to identify a few meals that you would love to eat on a daily basis. Is it oats, eggs, or dosa? Pick the finest quality ingredients. Once you have identified your meal, select a couple of supplementary ingredients to make the meal not only super tasty but also wholesome and nutrient dense. For example, I allow myself to add a bit of cocoa powder and raw honey in my oats to make it sweet and satisfy my sweet cravings. Bottom line, identify 3 to 5 meals you love and can eat these consistently for a very long time. Simplify, reduce decision fatigue. Just like Mark Zuckerberg wears the same t-shirt every day, use your brain power for other important things and not worrying about what to eat daily. Habit number 2, wake up early. It sounds cliche, but waking up early is foundational. Unless you're a nightclub owner, nothing great happens after 10 p.m. Think about the top things people do late at night. Binge Netflix, drink or party. Now think about the top things people do between 4 and 7 a.m. Meditate, exercise, probably do deep work. Which set of activities will move you closer to your health goals? You know the answer. You can apply the 80-20 rule with this habit. You can wake up early before 6 a.m. That is, for example, 25 to 26 days a month. Rest of the days you can wake up late or without an alarm. Your body clock, your circadian rhythm is deeply connected with the sun, sunrise and sunset. And when you respect nature, nature makes you healthy. Habit number 3, work out before 12 p.m. I know you have an ironclad willpower, but it fades throughout the day. By 6 p.m. it's low and it's easier to skip the gym. Now, I've noticed that if I don't work out by noon, my willpower decreases significantly. My sweet spot is between 9 to 11 a.m. Now, think of your willpower like a phone battery. Start the day at 100%, then it drains as the day goes by. Bottom line, get your workout done before noon so it does not fall off your to-do list. Habit number 4, connect with nature. Ground yourself. Okay, get vitamin D and spend time outdoors, ideally between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Do it only for 20 to 30 minutes. More than 1 billion people worldwide are vitamin D deficient or insufficient. Contrary to popular wisdom, vitamin D isn't just for bone health. It's actually a hormone that plays a crucial role in metabolism, in aids in muscle, cardiac, immune and neurological functions, as well as in the regulation of inflammation. There is ample research that concludes that optimal levels of vitamin D can give you a significant health boost. So be out in the nature for at least 20 minutes. If you live in a city, just find a way. Okay. Habit number 5, learn the foundations. Let me tell you about a young boy named Haley Fort who at 13 years old learned how to build a prosthetic leg using YouTube tutorials and online resources. He created a functional low-cost prosthetic for a friend who had lost a leg. Amazing, right? This just shows that what you can achieve when you have the will. The knowledge is out there and most of it is free or very affordable. Now, I'm not putting you on the spot, but if you want to stay healthy, you need to learn the foundations of nutrition and fitness. You should have the core skills to create your own diet and workout plan. Yes, you can hire a coach to help you fine-tune things, but never forget, mastering the fundamentals is what truly makes you advanced. With over 200,000 students enrolled in my courses, I've seen firsthand the incredible results they have achieved by starting with my foundational courses. Habit number 5, optimize your body systems one by one. If you consistently stick to the basics like getting enough sleep, working out regularly, eating a healthy homemade diet, and managing stress, you'll definitely improve your health. But if you take it one step further and focus on optimizing one body system at a time, you'll achieve lasting optimal health much faster. Now think of your body as this magnificent tree. Your gut is the root system drawing nutrients from the soil, while your nervous system is the sturdy trunk connecting every branch and leaf. Tending to each part ensures that the whole system thrives. I send out a free newsletter 3 times a week to thousands of amazing individuals like yourself, where I share specific tips on how to care for your body systems. Make sure to sign up, check the description for details. Now guys, these habits are the essence of my 2 decades of learning. If you follow them, you'll not only become lean, but also functional and healthy. And you would be able to achieve this much faster than you think. If you want to know the remaining 4 habits, comment habits below and I will send you a free PDF. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay fabulous.